Verifying your bank account on Personal Capital is an important step to manage your finances effectively. Follow these simple steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Create an account. Visit the Personal Capital website or download the app. Sign up for a new account by providing your email address and creating a password. Step 2. Add your bank account. Once logged in, navigate to the account section. Click on Add Account and select your bank from the list. You will be prompted to enter your online banking credentials. Step 3. Verify your identity. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed to breaches without people even realizing it. Use Srug to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Confirm bank account. Once your identity is verified, you will need to confirm your bank account. This may involve Personal Capital making small deposits into your account. Check your bank statement for these deposits. Step 5. Complete verification. Return to Personal Capital and enter the amounts of the small deposits you received. This will finalize the verification process, allowing you to fully access your bank account information within the app. By following these steps, you can successfully verify your bank account on Personal Capital and start managing your finances more effectively.